Looking for the perfect creative gift for your little inventor? Let's check out the amazing 3D printing pen, fun, safe, and designed just for kids. This second-generation 3D pen is a game-changer for kids who love to draw, build, and create. At just $14.50, it's 51% off the original price of $29.60. Click the link in the description below to grab yours now. This pen includes a travel case, making it the perfect holiday or birthday gift for boys and girls. Whether it's Children's Day, Christmas, or just because, this gift will light up any child's imagination. Equipped with a LED display to adjust temperature anytime, anywhere, compatible with both ABS and PLA filaments, but PLA is safer and non-toxic for kids. Cute and colorful ghost pen designs, especially made for children. Improved performance with stable and safe tech. Supports adjustable speed and temperature for different drawing styles. Comes with everything: base, manuals, finger covers, USB cable, and your choice of 9 meters, 50 meters, or 100 meters PLA filament. You can literally draw in the air. How cool is that? Why should you get it from this store? 100% original, direct from factory. Quality checked 3 times before shipping. Ships out fast, within 18 working hours. Wholesale and drop shipping supported. This is the lowest price on all of AliExpress, so don't miss out. Let your kids' dreams come to life with this magical 3D pen. Like this video if you found it helpful, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and honest tech reviews. Click the link in the description below to buy now before the sale ends.